Special thanks to Roseann for being our trail angel today and helping us out. We're headed to Duncannon today. We met Roseann on the trail, and she and her husband watch our channel. So that was really cool to meet her. She's going to be helping us out all day today. Oh, there he goes. Bunch of deer out in the field. Oh, there's somebody else coming too. They're watching him and watching us. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's one more that already went back in the bushes. It's a herd of bucks. They're all hanging out together. This is the one that went back in the woods. He's pretty close. And that's why the others are so big looking. There they go. Oh, there goes the other one. That's one that was in the bushes. He just came back out. Ran past me. There's water right there, but a lot of this water is runoff from farmland, and so you might not want to drink it. It might have pesticides and chemicals and stuff in it, fertilizers. That looked really clear though. It almost looked like it might be spring fed. We have plenty of water. We packed out some gatorades and water so that we would have plenty for the day and we wouldn't have to get any of this water from the farmlands. Wow, you're really close. Beautiful. Bye. Rosann's helping us out today. Isn't that cool? She brought us Gatorades and water this morning. This is a real dry stretch. Oh, and cheese and oranges. So I'm carrying those in the day pack she also brought for us. And she's hauling our packs, our heavy packs, up to the next stop so that we don't have to carry them the whole way, which is very nice and lets us do a little more miles a little faster. And it is supposed to be very hot today, in the upper 80s, so that's going to help a lot. We're headed over to those mountains today. We'll climb over them today after we walk through this valley. This is the Cumberland Valley in Pennsylvania. Walking alongside a river right now. of the valley, heading up the mountains. Walking through a field, it's hot, and that's the mountain we just went over there. There's our next mountain range we're going over today. Duncannon's on the other side. And that's Linda with her umbrella. I have one too. Keeps the sun off. It's really hot today. It's in the upper 80s. Back up in the mountains, following a ridge line. I think this is the last mountain. We're heading up. Ooh. The famous rocks of Pennsylvania that earned it the nickname Rocksylvania. We are definitely in the Pennsylvania rocks, and as you can see, gnats constantly have insects swarming, and we're walking through rocks, which slows us down. I think since we got into these rocks up here, and these aren't really bad like some of the places up here, probably a mile an hour is all we're able to do, because the rocks are all, uneven, and your feet go crooked and sideways, and you have to watch where you put them. This right here isn't bad at all. So we're starting to go downhill into Duncannon, where Roseann and Ron are going to drop off our backpacks to us. Well, we're not going downhill yet. It looks like we're going uphill, and then we're going to go downhill eventually into Duncannon. We're a little bit, I think, 2-something miles out now, and I am so exhausted. I am so tired. I'm ready to be done today. My feet hurt. I have new blisters. My hips hurt. My legs hurt. And I'm just exhausted. About 10 miles in today, I just hit a wall. And I was just done. About 10 miles in, and I still had 10 more to do. So, or a little maybe over 10. So it's been a long day today. That was Hawk Rock. Definitely heading downhill, and it is steep. But there are kind of rock stairs, which is nice. They're just giant. This is what we're hiking on. Rocks and more rocks. And steep steps going down. Welcome to Rocksylvania. It's a one big rock garden. Let's see if we can get through here. Now somebody's kindly put in some steps which is really nice. And there's not a lot of rock debris down here. So this is not going to be as bad as it was up at the top. It is kind of cool though. Look how pretty that is. All the rocks. Wow. It's hard to hike in though. Really slows us down. I doubt if we'll be doing any more 20-mile days for a while. We are in town, following the white blazes. See it on the telephone pole? This is Duncannon. Here's Duncannon. This is Duncannon. Look how cute that is.
We have Roseann and Ron, trail angels. Thank you. Slack packed us today, brought us all kinds of snacks and gatorade and all kinds of things. Thank you guys.
Oranges.
So
Good to
much.
meet you.
Oranges, cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Yes.
Yeah, it was so nice to meet you. And we just met them on the trail. I mean, we were hiking and all of a sudden she walked up to us. So that was really cool. They watched the channel.
Yep, we do. And now we will watch the rest of your journey, definitely, because now we know you.
Thank you. So
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Headed to the Duncannon Assembly of God Church. They host hikers. They have a hostel there. Bailout's already there. I wanted to do laundry first. She wanted to take a shower first, so she's showered. She'll do laundry later. Maybe. And I will get my shower now. It is already 8 o'clock. It's been a long day, but I have clean clothes to put on when I shower. I'm wearing my raincoat right now so I don't get my clothes dirty until I shower, and then one pair of pants, a long pair of black pants, tights that I don't really wear right now because it's so warm. See the white blaze? We are on the AT actually. Just runs right through this neighborhood in Duncannon. See the blaze on the next pole? Here's where I'm staying for the night. Hikers welcome. Right there.